Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a quick cook with me. It's a real easy recipe. It's very filling and you can make as much of it or as little bit as you want. It's going to be just a vegetable beef soup. It's just going to be very simple. So we're going to start by putting some oil or butter in a pan and just letting that simmer for a few minutes. And we're going to start browning some beef. Now you could use any kind of meat for this. You could use ground turkey, ground beef, venison, anything you wanted to. Then we're going to cut our carrots up. I usually do carrots, onions. I most of the time do celery and potatoes. I didn't have celery today and I forgot the potatoes. But you can do whatever kind of vegetables that you want in it really. This is just what I'm doing. After you get all your veggies chopped that you want to put in there, you're just going to put it in that butter or oil. And I just added a little bit of water in with it just to help them cook. As always, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, to give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you tried it. So now I'm just adding some garlic powder. You could add garlic powder, minced onion, onion salt, garlic salt. I added some salt and pepper. You can just do whatever seasonings you really want to do. Here I'm adding just a little bit of corn in. Once again, you can just do whatever kind of vegetables that you want. So now I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth in. You can do chicken broth, beef broth, or some tomato juice even to give it a little bit of extra flavor and color. I added my ground beef in there and I'm just stirring it all in really well. Okay, so here I'm just going to make a quick roux, which is just going to help to thicken up the soup and make it a little bit creamier. If you don't want your vegetable beef soup to be creamy or thicker, you can just totally skip this step. But I just added some whole milk into the pan that I browned my beef in, and then I added a little bit of flour, and you just let it sit for a few minutes and it will thicken up, and you guys will see that here in a second. This next step is totally optional, but I just love cheese in any kind of soup that I eat, so I'm just adding some shredded cheese. It's cheddar. Do whatever kind of cheese you want or leave it out if that's not your thing. That is pretty much it for this soup. I'm just adding some shredded cheese and some chives because I'm fancy like that. This soup may not look like much, but it is really good, really delicious. Even my kids will eat it, and you can make as much of it or as little of it as you need to. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye!